Yum yum. There you go, baby. He's gonna come over there and peck
A
your
day
eyeball.
in life of fishing.
Exactly. He's holding on though.
Almost got him up.
I don't think you should just step on it.
We'll step on his beak and he'll like not bite.
Has Matt done this before?
I think so. I don't know. Ask him.
Have you done this before?
No.
So you don't know what you're doing?
Essentially.
Amateur.
Alright, he's off.
He's
You'll
off.
be able to fly.
Bird next.
I have a video. I don't have a picture. Look at Tyler. He'll take a picture.
Oh my god.
Look at his eyes.